Hello and welcome! My name is Alek, and in this short tutorial I will show you how to change your WordPress admin language. Before we get started, let me clarify something important. Changing your admin language is different from changing your entire site's language. To change your WordPress admin language, you will not go to Settings, select General, and change the language here where it says Site Language, because this is where you change your overall website language. To change the WordPress admin language, go to Users and select All Users. If there is more than one user, each can change their admin language to their liking. If there is only one user, like in this example, you can click on Edit or select Profile in the left column. Whatever you choose, the same profile page will open. This is where you change your WordPress admin language. If I want to change my admin language from English to Danish, I will select Dansk from this drop-down menu, scroll down, and click the Update Profile button. As you can see in the left column and on this profile page, the language is changed to Danish, which is exactly how you change your WordPress admin language in just a few clicks. Again, this will not change your overall website's language from English to Danish. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and if it was, please like it and feel free to subscribe for more WordPress related content. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below this video. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.